There are a couple birds chilling in that bush. One right there, then one right there. Such a beautiful day today. It is mid-60s. Just chilling outside. Perfectly sunny, not a cloud in the sky. Just listening to the sounds of nature. If you listen closely, you can hear a bird chirping. Know that you might be able to hear some noise from the town as well, but if you listen closely, you can hear some birds. Anyway, guys, I'm kind of facing towards the sun. I'm not looking directly at it, obviously, because it's up in the sky, but the sun is facing the direction that I'm facing, if you know what I mean. But anyway, guys, I love listening to the sound of nature and all of the birds chirping on this beautiful day. It really does feel like a nice spring day here, and it is the beginning of March still. And I hope you guys enjoy listening to the sound of nature as well, and I really love enjoying the birds chirping. It's so peaceful to listen to, and you can tell that all the birds are happy, that it feels like an actual spring day. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It might not be the most exciting for some of you guys, but some of you guys will probably find it very relaxing and peaceful.